Police interview about a car accident. Mary is now a witness to an accident and the police want to speak to her. The Aboriginal police aide at the community has been sent to ask her to come to the police station and talk to the police. Hello, Mary. Thank you for coming to see me. Please sit down. I just want to ask you about the motor car accident you saw last night.
Yeah, I'd be sitting on the house, the veranda, or picking below me. Then I'd be looking car, banging the tree on the other side of the road.
We want to know what happened before that. Can you tell us what happened?
When I be look at the car, I be go two pass. And one thing I be noticed, I be got only one headlight on.
Did you see if the car was going straight or was it swerving from side to side?
I be go straight to the dog, we sleep the road, but the driver I be missing him. That's why I be eating the tree.
Yes, I'm going to talk to those people about that dog.
You can't blame a dog, because a man be go two pass.
All right, Mary, we're not blaming the dog. Tell me about what you saw after the car hit the tree. What did the driver do then?
Well, I'm just come out and I'm start swearing load them everybody. And I pick up them rock and start throwing the dog. But him can throw him straight.
Do you think he was drunk? Could you see the way he was walking? Was he walking straight or was he staggering around the place?
I know be look him. I be taking my picking go inside the house, cause I'll be polite from him.
Thank you, Mary, for coming here to tell me that story. It's all right for you to go back home now.